Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to look at the current price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll be marking the trend of the price action and also the present support and resistance levels in multiple time frames. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Thursday, 9th February. We have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs at 3:15 p.m. At 3:30 p.m. we have medium impact news planned for euro related currency pairs, and at 7 p.m. we have medium impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect a moderate volatility in most of the major currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action, previously it was in a very strong bullish trend, and after testing the resistance level of 1960, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side. Let us find out whether it is a bearish side trend reversal or only a retracement on the bearish side to continue its bullish side trend. So for this, I'm going to draw a trend line. So I have connected the lows of the past price action, and when we look at the current price action, it has taken support on the previous trend line or the support line. So according to this trend line, the current price action has not broken this trend line, which means that the current trend is still in a bullish trend. And when we look at the current price action, we are noticing a consolidation to happen within the resistance level of 1884 and the support level of 1861. The reason being that we have to look at the past price action at this area. I'm moving to the left, and when we look at the past price action, this area had acted as a support zone and the resistance zone. So this is a very strong resistance and support zone. So it is struggling to break on the bearish side and it is struggling to break on the bullish side. That is why currently we are noticing the price action to be trading on a sideways momentum. So I would request you to wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side, based on which you can enter into the directional trade in daily time frame. For now, this trend line is holding the price action from falling further on the bearish side. So if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1884, we can expect a bullish side retracement to start, and immediate resistance on the daily time frame is going to be around 1899 or 1900. Once this resistance is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1911, 1922, 1938 and 1960. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1861, the major support on the bearish side is going to be around 1834 and 1787. These are all the levels where we have noticed a price action to take support and bounce back in the past price action. So these levels will be acting as a support levels when the price action breaks a bearish side trend reversal. If a trend reversal needs to happen, we'll notice it in the lower time frame. Let us analyze a 4 hours time frame and see if there is any candlesticks pattern being formed. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing a resistance line over here, and we can see that the price action is taking support on the daily time frame trend line or the support line, and it is on a continuous bullish trend, and also it is respecting this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this resistance line. And from the 4 hours time frame, we know that previously it was on a bearish trend, and currently it has taken support on the trend line and it is on a bullish side retracement. So when we compare this price action with the candlesticks pattern, it is forming similar to an bearish flag pattern. Bearish flag patterns are usually formed when the trend is on the bearish side, where we can notice a price action to make a consolidation, then to continue with bearish trend. And with the current price action, we are noticing the price action to make a consolidation, which confirms that once the price action breaks this support level of 1861, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. So in 4 hours time frame, we are noticing the price action to consolidate. It is not a trend reversal on the bullish side for now. And according to the pattern, it is still under a bearish trend for now. Wait for it to break this support level in order to enter into the bearish side trade. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also, we are noticing the price action to test this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And for now, the current price action in hourly time frame is also under a consolidation, trading between this resistance line and support line from the daily time frame. And as long as the price action is trading within this resistance line and the support line, we can expect this consolidation to continue in hourly time frame also. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. And currently the price action is taking support around the support level of 1875. And if the bullish side retracement continues, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1878, 1881, 1884, 1889, 1894 and 1900. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1875 and continues its bearish trend, the immediate support is going to be around 1869 and 1861. So breaking this trend line from the daily time frame and the support line from the higher time frame will give the confirmation of the bearish side trend continuation in lower time frames also. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I have drawn a resistance line or a trend line, and based on this resistance line, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend, respecting this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame. And we have the daily time frame trend line or a support line, where we can expect the price action to take support, and if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. And once the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again, we have the higher time frame resistance level, which is around 1884, where we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side in the past, and we can expect a similar price action in the future also. And I would recommend you to wait for the price action to close above this higher time frame resistance level and this trend line from the 4 hours time frame in order to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us look at the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is bouncing back from the resistance level of 1875 on the bearish side. If the bearish side retracement continues, the immediate support is going to be around 1873 and 1869. And if the price action bounces back on the bullish side, breaking the resistance level of 1875, the immediate resistance on the bullish side is going to be around 1877, 1879, 1882, 1884 and 1886. And currently the price action is consolidating within the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame and the support line from the daily time frame on a bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels in 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame. When we look at the current trend of the price action in 15 minutes time frame, we are noticing the price action to be bouncing back from the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame on a bearish side retracement. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to continue in 15 minutes time frame also. Currently it is trading between the support level of 1874 and the resistance level of 1876. Once the support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1872, 1871, 1868, 1865, 1862 and 1861. And if the price action bounces back from the support level of 1874 on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1876 and 1879. Please refer the 30 minutes time frame resistance levels for the bullish side targets. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.